Check out this 420-piece mobile mechanical truck box set from Daytona. This is a heavy-duty chest with a white powder-coated gloss finish for long life and easy clean. Inside the chest is a complete 420-piece mechanical tool set featuring complete metric and imperial socket sets in 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive, including deep sockets, thin-walled sockets, spark plug sockets, extension bars, adapters and converters, you name it. There's 308 tooth ratchets in each drive size, impact sockets including universal joints, hex and Torx bits, a complete metric and imperial combination spanner set with hex and star keys, pinch and pry bars as well as all the screwdrivers, pliers, cutters and hand tools you will ever need, and much more. It's all set in foam, clearly labelled and organised. The drawers and trays all locked down for when you're on the road, but they're also removable so you can bring them right up to the area you're working. And the whole lot's wrapped in a lifetime warranty from Daytona. Through the gas struts, the heavy duty handles and that chunky lock, this professional set is a must-have for mobile mechanics and enthusiasts. If you want a full list of all 420 pieces contained, check out our website, as well as if you want the box just by itself, it's also available sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.